Ichiyongos, Ichiyongoli, Yongoli, Ichiyongos. Hey, we don't know the actual name, eh? So we call it anyhow. Ichiyongoli, Yongosi, Yongoli. But it's beautiful, eh? Chiteka vipanganda fida. Lechilisha no waru ruchelo, chamoneka shana, eh? Natunachai pshafe. This is a stone monument. I don't know if it's a stone monument, but it just looks so beautiful around here. For us to be here, we had to get past waters, past forest, stones, just to come and hear the beautiful falls. The sound of the water falling down. Ah, how refreshing that sound is. Have you heard it? I'm hearing it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Proper.